Hello everyone, my name is Anjnesh Singh Tomar, and I'm excited to introduce HeartRx, a multi-agent AI system designed for early detection of heart risk. This project is built for the Agents for Good Healthcare track under the Google 5-day AI Agents Intensive, and it focuses on making preventive healthcare accessible, intelligent, and proactive. Heart disease continues to be the leading cause of death worldwide, and what makes it especially dangerous is how quietly early warning signs develop. Changes in stress, sleep irregularities, subtle drops in physical activity, and mild symptoms often emerge gradually across several weeks. Because these patterns feel normal, most people ignore them. Traditional healthcare systems also don't track these trends continuously, which means millions of early signals are lost. HeartRx was created to solve exactly this problem by detecting risk early and intelligently. To do this, HeartRx uses a multi-agent architecture because heart risk assessment isn't a single-factor problem. Different aspects of human health need different specialized analyses. That's why the system includes three core agents. The lifestyle agent analyzes sleep, steps, stress levels, and emotional sentiment. The symptom agent focuses on more acute indicators like chest pain, dizziness, and tachycardia. Finally, the fusion agent combines both using a stacked modeling approach with calibration to create a reliable final risk score. This setup reflects how doctors combine multiple inputs when evaluating a patient's heart health. The structure of HeartRx begins with 4 weeks of user data. Lifestyle and symptom data are analyzed in parallel by two light GBM models. Each agent produces its own score, capturing a specific dimension of the user's health. Those scores, along with engineered memory features such as the user's multi-week patterns, flow into the fusion meta agent. A final calibration stage ensures that the risk probabilities are medically realistic and stable. This modular design makes HeartRx scalable and interpretable. Our dataset includes more than 10,000 weekly health records from 2,500 users. Each record contains lifestyle metrics such as sleep duration, sleep variability, step count, and night activity, physiological signals like resting heart rate and HRV, psychological indicators such as stress and sentiment, and symptom logs including chest pain, dizziness, and tachycardia. On top of this, we compute user memory features that capture long-term behavior such as weekly averages, variability, and how each metric is trending. These help the system understand the user's health in a more complete and clinically realistic way. The modeling pipeline involves training the lifestyle agent, then the symptom agent, generating risk scores for every user, and then using stacked modeling for the fusion meta agent. The fusion step significantly boosts accuracy by combining complementary strengths of the two agents. The final calibration step aligns the predictions with real-world probabilities to avoid overconfidence. The results of this system are very strong. The lifestyle agent achieved an AUC of 0.55. The symptom agent improved this to 0.61. When combined, the fusion meta agent reached 0.70 AUC. And at the user level, HeartRx achieved an impressive 0.84 AUC. This highlights that the multi-agent approach captures risk patterns more effectively than any single model alone. Explainability is critical in healthcare, so HeartRx uses sharp values to clearly show which factors influence predictions the most. Users can see how lifestyle patterns or symptom spikes affect their weekly risk. This transparency makes the system trustworthy and suitable for integration into medical dashboards or wearable-based health monitoring. The final output of HeartRx includes a lifestyle score, a symptom score, a fused risk score, and a natural language explanation for every user and week. This makes the system ready for integration into apps, dashboards, or telemedicine platforms that want to offer early heart risk detection. In closing, HeartRx is more than a machine learning model, it is a complete multi-agent system built to support early detection in a high-impact healthcare domain. By combining structured agents, user memory, explainability, and calibrated predictions, it demonstrates how AI can move healthcare from reactive to proactive. Thank you for watching. I'm Anjnesh Singh Tomar, and this was my submission for the Agents for Good track. I hope HeartRx inspires more innovation toward accessible, preventive healthcare AI.